The city is rehabilitating the historic 10th Avenue Bridge over the Mississippi River. The 90-year-old bridge was last rehabilitated 4 decades ago and is a key connection over the Mississippi River, carrying about 10,000 vehicles and hundreds of pedestrians every day. The rehabilitation of the bridge involves replacing the bridge deck and other deteriorating concrete components. Once the construction is complete, there will be two-way vehicle traffic with protected bike lanes and 10 to 12-foot sidewalks, which will be a huge improvement to the bridge. The city is also installing a new water main underneath the river. This main replaces a 1949-era main that was suspended from the bridge structure and involves impressive engineering work using a microtunnel boring machine. The boring machine will create a 5-foot diameter tunnel through the St. Peter sandstone that lies under the river. Putting the water main below the river will extend the main's lifespan, since it won't be exposed to road salts and other elements that cause corrosion. The new water main is expected to be in service by spring of 2020, and the overall bridge rehabilitation project is expected to be completed by summer 2021. Stay informed by visiting the project's website.